Good afternoon, students. I welcome you all for this new academic year 2021 art semester. And in this is the first video for mini project hour. And as our mini project hour has been started in the lockdown period itself, and so far we have conducted one review, and also you have submitted your abstract, as well as the third work, that is you are doing the literature survey. These are the works that has been done in the during the lockdown period. And as you see in the screen, this is a core course in the 7th semester, and it has two COs. In the CO1, it is assessed based on that is, upon the completion of the course, the students will be able to select a project and able to work in a team, leading to development of hardware or software product, right? This is the process as we are doing now, and all the projects have selected a suitable title also. And in the CO2, we are going to access that is assess the prepare a technical report and present the ideas with clarity, that is report submission as well as your presentation, right? And also in this mini project, it is a generic lab, and it is relevant to the branch of interest of the student, or a simulation model developed by the student with the guidance of a faculty member. So we all know, for all we are having totally 14 batches, and all the batches has been allotted with a suitable guide, right, based on the area of interest. And this process also has been done earlier. And in this semester also we will have online review, and there will be an evaluation committee. This committee will be formulated by our HOD sir, and the committee will review the activities and the mark awarded as follows. And in the final, that is in semester lab, you will have a weightage of report 40%, presentation 30%, and your oral examination 30%, right? So this is all about what is the mini project lab that you have now. And as our sir, that is HOD sir told, the software projects can be started now itself, right? There is no restriction. You can start your project now itself. And other project also, that is if you are having any simulation software, you can test the results and you can present also. So within that is after 1 or 2 weeks, we will have another review to review about the progress. What are the literature surveys you have done, and what are the simulation results you have got. Likewise, that will be reviewed in the first review by the review committee member. And also the attendance is mandatory, and I will enter the attendance in the ERP also. And I have added an activity attendance in your Moodle classroom, and also I have given the options the student can mark the attendance. So on every day a work will be allotted and a submission link will be provided, and also the student you can mark your attendance also, right? So you have to log in your Moodle classroom, and you have to do all this process. Then only you will get the attendance for this 4 hours, Thursday afternoon, 5th hour, 6th hour, 7th hour, and 8th hour, right? So, and also I have added a chat, that is in every mini project hour a chat option will be added, and I will be online, so you can come and chat regarding your doubts or any other queries. You can contact me in this regard, right? So if you have any doubt also, you can that is ask me through WhatsApp or through phone call, you can ask, right? And for all the other details that is regarding your project, you can discuss with your guide, right? Every step when you move, that should be known to your guide. And if any submission you are doing also, it should be forwarded through your project guide, right? So you can be free to ask any doubt with your guide, and you can proceed with your project. All the best, students. Thank you.